Have you ever felt the pressure to always be at your best just to impress a woman? Many men believe they need to elevate or respect a woman to gain her attention. But desperation and people-pleasing often make her lose interest. Today, we're going to explore a mindset shift that changes everything. By adopting a new perspective, you can transform your interactions and have her working for your attention and appreciation. Step 1. Deeply believe you are the prize. Embrace your self-worth and value as the desired prize in a relationship. This core mindset shift requires an unshakable belief that you are the prize, a valuable commodity that a woman should feel fortunate to have access to. Many men have been conditioned to believe they are not worthy of the women they are attracted to. This low prize mentality broadcasts insecurity and neediness, which women can sense and are turned off by. Conversely, when a man carries himself with calm, unfazed confidence, women's body language, interest, and pursuit instantly change. Take Steve, for example. Despite being broke and less accomplished than other guys, he always had beautiful women chasing him because of his blazingly self-assured prize mentality. Step 2. Stop seeking her validation. Shift your focus from seeking approval to fostering genuine interest. Too many guys make the mistake of endlessly showcasing their assets and accomplishments, hoping to earn her interest. Instead, act already accepted and self-amused. Create minor approval vacuums where she's left intrigued and pursuing you, not vice versa. For example, if she mentions being a lawyer instead of gushing, "Wow, that's so impressive," be counterintuitively curious. "Oh, interesting. What made you go into law in the first place?" This prompts her to work harder to share her story and earn your validation. Step 3. Take the lead. Lead by making decisions and setting the direction, such as choosing activities and expressing preferences. Being decisive showcases your higher value and worthiness. You are the confident and discerning prize who will walk away from anything that does not meet your standards. Step 4. Have her invest in you. Encourage her pursuit by making small, engaging requests like asking for opinions or assistance. By expending small efforts thinking about and catering to you, her mental investments grow, and you become more subconsciously prized in her mind. Step 5. Set and enforce standards. Demonstrate confidence by establishing clear boundaries and expectations, such as how you expect to be treated. When you start declaring interpersonal standards instead of negotiating for her attention, you cement your status as the prize. When you commit to absorbing and embodying these 5 tenets of the prize mindset, a transformation starts occurring in your dating life and relationships. She sees you in a new light, not as someone chasing her approval, but as the rare and elusive prize she is driven to constantly value and strive for.